Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Extinct Bricks Assembrix. And for this very special episode, I will be showing you a speed build on our Jurassic Park Tour Explorer. But before that, thanks to youtube.com audio library for this awesome background music. Please also like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And please do not skip on all the ads on all my videos. Thanks everyone! And also, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. We have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LYKA. There I'll be posting some of my exclusive photos and video clips as well. So I'll see you there, guys! And without further ado, let's begin with our Assembrix on the JP Explorer. So this Jurassic Park Explorer actually is being sent to me by a fan, which he specifically requested not to mention. Regardless, I'd like to say thank you so much for sending me this particular build. And so on with the content. So we have there an online way of downloading the instructions. You can even, scan that and download it for yourselves. There are 5 several packages, and then we have here the instructions. The particular brand for this one is Maze, and yeah, it has this little T-Rex here on the side and the picture of the actual build itself. So if you're going to open up this particular pamphlet, it will have around 88 or 89 instruction panels. So we just have to follow that through and then build it. So let's start opening everything, and then putting them into one place, and then let's start with the Assembrix. Okay, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this video and see how we do it, and the number of hours or minutes that we take in terms of assembling this one. So I'll tell you that at the end of the video, and we'll rate this particular gift of mine from a certain fan. So again, thank you whoever you are. And now for some finishing touches. So we have here I think this is a side mirror, I guess. And then we have here a few panels on the bottom side of the Ford Explorer. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. And then we just have to place in the wheels. Okay, so let's put on the rubbers on these mugs. There you go. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I know it should have had a spare tire, but I guess there's none. So let's just have this here, and that should be the last piece to it. So here is the completed assemblies on our Ford Explorer to Jurassic Park. So it actually took me around 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete this particular build. That is considering, of course, that I'm going throughout, pausing and completing the video stuff that I'm actually editing. And I think this particular build is really accurate to that of the movie. I know there are some Lego parts here that may need adjustment, such as the seating, but hey, I think it's a really good build because it has certain details to it, such as that glass on the dashboard, and also the what do you call that, mirror on top of it. So I think it's a really cool build, and I totally would give this a 10 out of 10. So if you guys would like to have this particular build, I looked it up at Shopee and it's there, and I'll be linking the particular link on the description box below. And here we have a comparison of my previous build, just my own MOC, my own work here of the Ford Explorer. It's quite a big difference, but it would work, in making a certain movie, such as that duplicating the scene from the Jurassic Park movie. Okay, and so that's what we have for now for our assemblies. I hope you. Please also don't forget to support our other channels, AB Toy Universe and the Adventures of Moira and Usher. Watch their videos and support their channel as well by subscribing. And as we always would say, let your inner Dino Brick roar! Thanks everyone!